That's a little private jet. Yeah, it is a good-sized jet, but I mean, it's a private jet. Here comes a little private jet that just landed. Oh, and I see more lights off in the distance. How many planes are gonna land? We've only seen one plane take off, and that was a Southwest one, and it was a cool looking Southwest one. Zoom in on him. Little buddy, you're so cute. Okay, another one landed. Who is it going to be? It looked like a big one from way behind there, but I could have been wrong.
That's a small aircraft.
I was wrong. It is a private jet. It's blue and white. We both thought it was a big one.
Jet.
No? Oh wait, yeah he is. He's in the air. They just went in the air. That was the second one that took off, and the only other one that we got to see take off. Bye, American Eagle. Alright, here comes the cool Southwest one for takeoff. When I say cool, it's good. Oh man, they're already in the air. They're already in the air. Yay. This time I was right. It was Southwest that landed. He's loud too. I know. It's the normal blue Southwest one. Wonder where they came from. Disney World? Look how loud he is. This one's Delta.